Welcome friends, in this video you're going to learn what are long and short position, how to use it and how to make money while crypto is dropping. Lesson plan, what are long and short positions in trading and investing, what does long and short position means, and how to do short and long on Bitcoin and other altcoins. What are a long and short position? Long, it is, if you in simple words, it is buy. When you hear that some people tell you that I open long, it is same as he bought some coin. Major difference here because sometimes they do it on futures compared to spot market. Let's do simple long position scheme. Long position scheme, have a look. It is example: you buy one Bitcoin at price 3,000, price move up, for example, 100%. After that, you selling your one Bitcoin and you earn the difference. That's example of a long position. Let me open it on a chart. Bought at this price rise so much and you sold here. That's how you do long positions, and that's how you get out. When you buy and for with idea that price will rise after that. By the way, all of this stuff you can find in this article on our website. I will add it into description to this video. What about short position? Short, it is nearly the same as sell, but there's some big difference, because you can ask ourselves, how can we sell something what we don't have? For example, how you can make money on Bitcoin while price is dropping? But every exchange create a special scheme for you, which you can use to do it, and it is 100% legal scheme. And also people use such approach on the stock market for many years. How it works? To make money on short selling, you do simple steps. Step number one, you borrowing Bitcoins from exchange. First, step number one, you borrow Bitcoin from exchange. After that, you sell Bitcoin at market price. For example, market price 60,000 per one Bitcoin. You borrowed one Bitcoin at 60, you sold it. After price dropped to 30,000, and you, after selling borrowed Bitcoin, we have 60,000 in our account. After that, we buy back one Bitcoin that we own to exchange. We return borrowed Bitcoin to exchange, and we return the borrowed coins to exchange. We had 30,000 left. Once more, let's do example on a chart. Step number one, we take a loan on exchange. Imagine that price of Ethereum at this moment 4,173. We open short sell. It means we take a loan on exchange. Step number two, we wait for price to fail. And step number three, after the price has dropped by, we buy back one Ethereum. Why it's so important to buy back? Because once more, you borrowed, after price dropped, we buy back much cheaper. But we buy with discount. If we open short sell and we buy back with discounts, that means we made money. Like on this example, we buy back with 50% discount, we return that to exchange one Ethereum. Remember how it started. We own one Ethereum to exchange. We sold it at 4,000, price dropped by 50%, we bought back cheaper, and we return our debt to exchange. And we take the difference of 4,170 minus 2,096 is equal to 2,074. In effect, this is the process of earning money while price is dropping on crypto. Friends, if you think what I'm sharing with you is really useful, I ask you to subscribe and turn on the bell, because I'm not sponsored by any broker, any exchange, only by you, our dear followers. Help us build bigger community. Also, I invite all of you to join our course for those that start their path in trading. We create a whole process that will help you build your career in trading. It is a really simple, only 5 lessons that you need to start trading and stop losing. First, it is how to choose proper exchanges, how to use TradingView as a pro, because I use TradingView more than 5 years and I can teach you how to read properly news, technical analysis and avoid mistakes. And lesson number 5, it is simple. It is a simple trading strategy that you can use exactly after this. There would be a link below. Just join. Price really small. And after the price has dropped, we buy one coin and return it to back. Keep in mind that the market is not always moving in our direction. We can earn and we can lose. Let's look on an example. We borrowed one Bitcoin and sold it for bigger price. Have a look on this example. Like we bought Bitcoin, imagine at 400 area, and price after that rose by 30%. That means everything turned out differently and increased by 30%. That means as a result, you need to buy coin at higher price and repay the debt. It means 500, it is initial price that we sold Ethereum. Price rose and now we must buy back with loss. And that loss is $150. Is exactly amount that we lost in these trades. My dear friends, thank you for watching this lesson. At this moment, I invite you to join our next lesson, Trendline Breakout Strategy. It is my favorite trading strategy that help me make money, and it will help you. That's why watch this lesson and see you in next time. Bye.